Hey ladies, it's Ashley with Melanin Beaute Boutique and it is Try It Out Tuesday. Today I am trying a do-it-yourself teeth whitening in order to get these pearly whites. So to see how I get this done, keep watching. The two simple ingredients that you are going to need for this do-it-yourself teeth whitening is a nice ripe strawberry, and you are going to need some baking soda. So the ripe strawberry has a high content of malic acid, which is really good for polishing away those surface stains. Also, the seeds in the strawberry is going to be really good for polishing off stains as well, kind of like exfoliating your teeth very gently and naturally. Baking soda, as you know, can be found in toothpaste, and it's going to also help take down all of the tartar stains, surface stains on your teeth, and give it like a nice fresh feeling. So combining those two ingredients together is really going to help to whiten your teeth naturally. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mush down this strawberry, and then we're gonna add a tablespoon of baking soda. We're gonna stir it up. Then you're gonna brush your teeth for 5 minutes with the mixture. Then you are gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. Then you are going to rinse your mouth out, or you can do what I do. I like to be sure that everything's off. So I'm gonna brush my teeth with water for like 5 minutes afterward, just to make sure that everything's off. Let's get started. It's been sitting for 5 minutes now, so I am going to rinse. That is it, and this is the final result. Cheese. Yeah, my teeth are definitely whiter. I don't know why I didn't try that before. People have been raving about it online, so I was like, you know what, let me try it. So one of the things that I did differently is that I definitely use my electric toothbrush, because electric toothbrushes in general just help polish away stains and tartar a lot better than using a regular toothbrush. So if you don't really like mixing stuff together, then you can always change the toothbrush head on your electric toothbrush specifically for when you are whitening, so that way you don't get any seeds or baking soda like left inside of your brush. So definitely use an electric toothbrush. I will say that you would think that the strawberry would kind of give it like a little sweetness so that it doesn't like taste really bad. However, the baking soda overpowers everything. So yes, it is going to taste a little bit bitter, but if you can just get past that and just brush, you know, it really does work, and it really is worth it. Another thing is, I know that some people have tried using baking soda with hydrogen peroxide, or with a lemon, or with even apple cider vinegar. However, those three things are high in what's called citric acid, and citric acid can actually break down the enamel and weaken your tooth. So I just opted to not use those ingredients or to add it to it, because I don't want anything breaking down my enamel. I already have sensitive teeth, so I don't want anything, you know, that's going to make it more sensitive. Now strawberries have a little bit of citric acid in it. However, if you choose a really ripe strawberry like I did, you want to make sure that it's bright red and it's ripe and ready to be, you know, eaten or whatever. Then the concentration of malic acid is actually higher than the citric acid, so it doesn't harm your teeth. The malic acid is actually has more antioxidants in it, and it's going to be more beneficial on your teeth. So, but yeah, I would have to say that that was a success. It took like, you know, 12 minutes. It was kind of hard to sit there with it on your teeth for 5 minutes because your mouth feels kind of icky or whatever. So definitely rinsing your mouth out with water afterward is helpful. And I brush my teeth with water just to make sure that, you know, it's all from in between my teeth and seeds and all the rest of that. I like to be thorough. But all in all, I would have to say that it is a success. I'm loving the way my teeth is looking. And to think that I paid $300 about 2 years ago for Zoom whitening, and I was literally able to do that for $5. So strawberries were on sale for $3, and the baking soda I got for like $1.20 or something. So yeah, I am all about the do-it-yourself rather than paying to put all those chemicals, whatever, on your teeth. But yeah, try that out, ladies. Let me know what you think. I will see you lovely ladies next time. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Tune in for live Business Savvy Saturdays with me and my sister. So I will see you guys next time.